If you've recently undergone security checks on your Gmail account and need to restore full access, follow these steps to regain control. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the srok.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Review security settings. Once you regain access, navigate to your Google account settings. Check your security settings to ensure your recovery options are up to date, including your recovery email and phone number. Step 3. Change your password. For added security, change your password immediately. Choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. Make sure it is unique and not used for any other accounts. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. To enhance your account security, enable two-factor authentication 2FA. This adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a verification code sent to your phone or generated by an authentication app when you log in. Step 5. Monitor account activity. After restoring access, regularly check your account activity. Look for any suspicious activity or unauthorized logins. If you notice anything unusual, take immediate action to secure your account. By following these steps, you can successfully restore full access to your Gmail account and enhance its security. Always stay vigilant and keep your account information updated.